Ladies and gentlemen, Dave with MVP Detail. Episode 4 of working on the CRX. This project has taken up all week and it's time to wrap it up. As you can tell, we're working on the sunroof. This goddamn sunroof has taken way too much time out of this project. But just to get the momentum going, we decided to lay at least one panel of satin. As you can tell, Dom's doing something over there. We're working with gaskets, we're working with rubber. That's literally older than me. The goal is to have it done by tomorrow.
Man, this shit needs to get done tonight. We're laying the first piece. We're hitting everything else with 1,000. And then we are going to wrap this shit box. We finishing the car today, huh? We hitting both the doors, we hitting the sunroof. We gonna fucking finish it, huh? With a little gabagool, baby. Fuck your mother.
Roll the timeline.
Please roll the timeline. Man, said fuck it, we taking the door off.
Alright guys, door's off. Just unbolted it.
Took the motherfucking door off to me.
And James here is gonna prep and take care of the rest of this while we eat some Mickey D's that's about to be here. He's gonna primer this, probably primer it and then sand it and then just make sure everything's nice and where it's supposed to be, right James?
Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Dave from MVP Detail. Thank you so much for watching episode 4 of the CRX build. As you can tell, we're still got some work to do, but we did some of the wrapping. We still got some body work we're working on. Hopefully in the next episode, we lay down all the wrap and then we could do some final touches. It's taking a little longer than we expected, but we're gonna get through it. As always, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe and make your dreams possible. We'll see you guys in episode 5.